Okay, next we are going to see exercise 2.3 in book page number 32. Listen first Roman. Read the following numbers by placing the commas at appropriate periods and write their number names. Okay, he given number. First we have to insert comma. Okay, next read the number clearly. After we have to write the number name for the given number. Okay, so what purpose we using comma in maths? Numbers having 4 or more digits we can read easily and quickly, putting them into groups using commas. Okay, நம்பரை வந்து பார்த்த உடனே ஈஸியாக ரீட் பண்ணுறதுக்காக நம்ம குரூப் வைஸாக நம்ம கமாஸை இன்சர்ட் பண்ணுறோம். ஓகே, லெட்ஸ் see. Here given number is, listen, this is how many digit number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8 digit number. Okay, how to insert comma for this given number? Okay, let's see. First of all, we have to write the place value for every digit. As usual, place value first we can start from ones. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Okay, so how to insert comma? First we have to start from ones. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, so this 3 digit before insert comma. Okay, next 1000, 10,000. Okay, these 2 numbers after insert comma. First this 3 number after insert comma. Sorry, this 3 numbers before insert comma. Next this 2 numbers before insert comma. Next this 7, 5. This 2 numbers before insert comma. Okay, here each group is separated by commas. Okay, this is ones group. Ones, tens, hundreds is under ones period. So this is one group, ones group. This is 1000 group. This is lakh group. This is crore group. So each group is here separated by comma. So how to read this number? 1 crore 57 lakh 31,997. First you have to insert comma and read clearly. After that write the number name for this given number. First start with 1 crore. One spelling is O-N-E 1 crore. C-R-O-R-E crore. Next 57 lakh. 57 F-I-F-T-Y 57 S-E-V-E-N 7 57 lakh L-A-K-H lakh 57 lakh. Next 31 that is 31 group of 1000. So 31,000. 31 spelling T-H-I-R-T-Y 31 O-N-E 1 31,000. So 1000 spelling is T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D 1000. 31,000. Next 997. 900 N-I-N-E 9 100 H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100. 997 97 N-I-N-E-T-Y 97 S-E-V-E-N 7. Okay, so again read this name. 1 crore 57 lakh 1,000. 1 crore 57 lakh 31,997. That's all. Okay, so in this first Roman, read the following numbers by placing the commas at appropriate periods and write their number names. First given number, first we have to insert the comma for given number, read the number clearly. After write the number name for given number. That's all. Okay, A sum only I teach now. Remaining B, C in first Roman, remaining B, C, D sums are homework. The same method. Homework separately you write in homework note. This is classwork sum. This one you write in separately you write in classwork note. Okay. Okay, next we are going to see in exercise 2.3 second Roman. Write the place value of 5 in the following numbers. Write the place value of 5 in the following numbers. Okay, here given number, one number, listen. This is 6 digit number. 2,87,500. In this number, 5 place value only we have to find out. Okay, first as usual we are going to write the place value of every digit. Okay, that is, listen, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 5 place value only we have to find out. Okay, so 5 place value is what? 100. So the place value of 5 is equal to, given number is 5. So 5 place value is 100. 100 means how many zero? We have to write 2 zeros. That means 5 into 100. So what is answer? 500. Place value of 5 is 500. Given number is 5. 100 means we have to insert 2 zeros. Okay, or we can write in word 500s. Okay, 500 spelling HUNDREDS, 500s. Okay, so first sum only I teaching now. Remaining B, C, D sums are homework. Okay, remaining 3 sums are given in your material, max material. So you listen the homework sum and complete in your homework note. Okay, material B, C, D sums கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, அதை பார்த்து homework noteல complete பண்ணிடுங்க. This same model. Okay, அதுலேயுமே place value of 5 place value only you have to write. Okay, this sum you write in class note. Remaining B, C, D sums are homework. Write in homework note. Okay. Okay, next exercise 2.3, third sum, listen. Write the following numbers in standard notation. Standard notation, standard form, short form means same method only. Okay, so what is the standard notation? Standard form, very simple. When we write a number using digits, as the number is said to be in short form. Okay, when we write a number using digits, okay, as the number is said to be in short form or standard form or standard notation. Okay, listen, first problem here given 30,000 plus 3,000 plus 300 plus 30 plus 3. Okay, like this given here number, this number is in expanded form. This one we have to convert in, change in standard notation. Okay, standard form means we consider digits value only. Okay, that means this only we have to consider 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. This digits only we have to consider. No need to consider the zeros in standard form. Okay, just we are going to write this digits value only. No need to write this zeros in standard form. Okay, next second step is we have to check the place value from ones. We have to check the place value from ones. Every place values are, all place values are have or not. We have to check. If any place value is missing means instead of that place value you should put 0. You should insert 0. Okay, first I am going to check the place value. This is ones. This is tens. Because here given 1 0, so place value is tens. Here given 2 0, so place value is 100. Here given 3 0, so place value is 1000. Here given 4 0, so place value is 10,000. So from 1s to 10,000 all place values are given continuously. Any place value is not missing. Okay, so we directly we can take the digits and write. Start from ones. Okay, so in ones we have to write number 3, tens, number 3, 100 place we have to write number 3. Next 1000 place we have to write this digits number 3. Next 10,000 place we have to write this number 3. Okay, so insert comma. So what is answer? 33,333. Okay, so standard form is just we have to consider this a digits value only. No need to write this zeros in standard form. And the digit value மட்டும் நீங்க ரைட் பண்ண போதும். Next step is you have to check place value from ones. From ones to all place values have or not you have to check. If any place value is missing means instead of place value அந்த place valueக்கு பதிலா எந்த place value மிஸ் ஆயிருக்கோ அதுக்கு பதிலா அந்த இடத்துல 0 இன்சர்ட் பண்ணிக்கணும். Can you understand? Okay, remaining B, C, D sums are homework the same method. இதே method, okay, the same method B, C, D sums are homework. That sums you complete in your homework note. This sum you should complete in your, this sum you should write in your class work note. Okay. Okay, next we are going to see exercise 2.3 third Roman. Write the following numbers in expanded form. Okay, here given short form, this one we have to change in expanded form. Okay, what does mean by expanded form? Very simple. When we write a number as a sum of place value of its digits, the number is said to be in expanded form. Sum of place value of its digits. Okay, every digit place value we have to write, and sum means we have to add all the place value. Okay, in between of place values we have to put plus. Okay, sum of place value of its digits is called expanded form. First step, as usual, we have to write the place value of every digit. What is the given number? 63,570. This is 5-digit number. So first write the place value, ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So if you want to write expanded form, first you have to start from left side number. Left side first number is what? 6. Write number 6. 6 place value what? 10,000. 10,000. So 10,000 means how many zeros you have to insert? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. That means 60,000. Put plus. Okay, next number is 3. 3 place value is 1000. So write given number 3. 3 place value is 1000. So 1000 means how many zeros? 3 zeros we have to put. Next plus. Next number is what? 5. Okay, write given number 5. 5 place value is what? 100. Okay, so 100 means how many zeros you have to insert? 2 zeros. Next write plus. Okay, next number is 7. 7 place value is tens. Okay, so write number 7. Tens means how many zeros you have to put? 1 zero plus. What is the next number? 0. 0 place value is ones. So write here 0. Ones means no need to write, no need to add any zeros. As it is, you can write the given number. Okay, ones place la enna number kuduthirukangalo adu direct ave anga write pannidalam ones. Okay, so what is answer? 60,000 plus 3,000 plus 500 plus 70 plus 0. Okay, first you have to write the place value, start from left side. Okay, so expanded form means sum of place value, sum means addition. Okay, sum of place value of its digits. கொடுத்திருக்கிற டிஜிட்டோட place value write பண்ணி அதை sum பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா, sum means அது எல்லாமே add பண்ணோம் ஒன்று சேர்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா அதுதான் expanded form அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். Can you understand? Now I am going to say shortcut for expanded form. Listen, first you take left side number 6. Write number 6. 6 after how many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. So we can add 4 zeros. Next, put plus. 6 after what number is here given? 3. So write here 3. 3 after how many digits are here? 3 zeros. So 3 digits. So we can insert 3 zeros. Plus. What is the next number? 5. So write there 5. 5 after how many digits are here? 2 digits. So write 2 zeros. Next plus. 5 after what is the given number? 7. So write 7. Tens means we have to add 1 zero. 7 after only 1 digit having, so add 1 zero. Next 0 ones. Ones means no need to add any zeros. Directly you can write the given number in ones column. Okay. So this is expanded form. The same method given in the same method B, C, D sums are homework. I teaching A sum, remaining B, C, D sums are homework. That homework sum also you have to complete in your homework note. Okay, so exercise 2.3, overall given 3 Romans. In 3 Romans, B, C, D sums are homework. That also you have to complete in your homework note. Okay. Okay, next we are going to see exercise 2.4, book page number 36. Listen first Roman. Write the number name. He given numbers. This one we have to write in number name. Let's see first one, 11,000. How to read this number? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit number. Okay, so first as usual we can write place value. First start from ones. Okay, ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Okay, after we can insert the comma. 3 digit before we can insert the comma. So how to read this number? 11,000. So write in word 11, E-L-E-V-N, 11. Thousand, T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D, thousand. So 11,000. Let's see second problem. Here given 5 digit number. First we can write the place value. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. After insert comma. 1, 2, 3. 3 digit before insert comma. If you insert comma means we can read the numbers easily. Okay, so that purpose only we using the comma. So now we can read the number easily. 34,000. So 34, T-H-I-R-T-Y, 34. F-O-U-R, 4. Thousand, T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D, thousand. 34,000. Okay, next third one listen. Okay, given 6 digit number. First we have to write the place value. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. After insert commas. First 3 digit before, next 2 digit before. Now we can read the number easily. 1 lakh. Okay, so write in word 1, O-N-E, 1 lakh. L-A-K-H, lakh. Okay, next one listen. He given 5 digit number. As usual, first you write the place values from ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. After we can insert the comma. Okay, so how to read this number? 98,364. 98,000. N-I-N-E-T-Y, 98. E-I-G-H-T, 8. 98,000. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D, thousand. 98,364. 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. Okay, 364. 60, S-I-X, 64. F-O-U-R, 4. Okay, so the same method given E to H. Okay, the remaining 4 problems homework, that one you write in your homework note. The same method. For given number name you have to write. The same one. Remaining 4 problems homework in first Roman. That one write in homework note. Okay. Spelling you have to write correctly. 1000 spelling, 100 spelling, all the spelling you have to write correctly. Okay. Okay, next we are going to see second Roman. Answer the following. B sum. Find the place value of 7 and 4 of these numbers. Okay, here given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digit number is given. In this 8-digit number, we have to find the place value of 4 and 7. Okay. So first, we can insert the comma for given number. How to read this number? 3 crore 45 lakh 78,910. Okay, 3 crore 45 lakh 78,910. In this number, we have to find the place value of 7 and 4. Okay. So first, as usual, we have to write the place value of every digit. Start from ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Okay. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. First we have to find place value of 7. First we have to find place value of 7. Okay. So what is the place value of 7? 7, 10,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. 7, 10,000. Okay. 7, 10,000. So first you write the given number 7. 10,000 means how many zeros you have to insert? How many zeros? 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is 70,000. Or we can write in word 7 10,000s. T-E-N 10 thousands. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D-S. 10,000s. Okay. So place value of 7 is equal to 7 10,000. That means 70,000. 10,000 means you have to put 4 zeros, or we can write in word 7 10,000s. Okay, next second problem. Next, place value of 4 we have to find. Place value of 4 is, okay, 4 is given here. 4 place value is T.L. That means 10 lakhs. 4 place value is 10 lakh. Okay. So we can write, first you write number 4. Okay, 10 lakh means how many zeros you have to insert? How many zeros? 10 lakh after how many digits you given you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here all place values given. Okay, அப்படி நீங்கள் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்காதீங்க. 10 lakhs means how many zeros you have to insert? How many zeros? 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros you have to insert. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros you have to insert. Okay, for 10 lakhs. Now you say the place value. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 4 10 lakh. 4 10 lakhs. Okay, the zero is very important. Correct zeros correct count பண்ணி write பண்ணுங்க. Okay, so place value of 4 is 4 10 lakhs, or we can write in number, or we can write in word 4 10 lakhs. T-E-N 10 lakhs. L-A-K-H-S lakhs. Okay, so 4 10 lakhs. Okay, can you understand? In your material given, உங்கள் மெட்டீரியலில் மேக்ஸ் மெட்டீரியலில் எப்படி கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க அப்படின்னா, ஃபஸ்ட்டு இதை அபாக்கஸில் ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ணிவிட்டு, இந்த நம்பரை அபாக்கஸில் ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ணிவிட்டு, அதுக்கப்புறம் பிளேஸ் வேல்யூ ஆஃப் 7 and 4 ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க. நோ நீட் டு ட்ரா த அபாக்கஸ். அபாக்கஸ் வந்து இந்த ப்ராப்ளமுக்கு ட்ரா பண்ண தேவையில்லை. ஜஸ்ட்டு நம்பரை எப்படி ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ணுறது அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காக உங்களுக்கு மெட்டீரியலில் கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. No need to draw the abacus for this problem. Directly we can find the place value. Directly place value இதுக்கு find out பண்ணிடலாம். Okay, can you understand this problem? Okay. Okay, next problem listen. See some listen. Write any one number with 6,000s with 9 tens and 3 ones. Write any one number with 6,000s with 9 tens and 3 ones. We can choose any one number, okay, but in that number should be 6,000s and 9 tens and 3 ones. Okay, ஏதாவது ஒரு நம்பரை சூஸ் பண்ணிக்க சொல்கிறாங்க, ரைட் பண்ண சொல்கிறாங்க. நம்ம அதை ரைட் பண்ணுற அந்த நம்பரில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா தௌசண்ட்ஸ் பிளேஸில் 6 இருக்கணும், டென்ஸ் பிளேஸில் 9 இருக்கணும், ஒன்ஸ் பிளேஸில் 3 இருக்கணும். ஓகே, அந்த மாதிரி நம்பர்ஸை ரைட் பண்ண சொல்கிறாங்க. ஓகே, ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஓகே லெட்ஸ் see. Ones place should be 3. So first in ones place we can write number 3. Ones place always we write start from right side only. So first place value is 3 only. So ones place should be 3. This one completed. Next, tens place should be 9. Tens place should be 9. 9 tens. So tens place you should write number 9. Next, 100 is not mentioned here. So 100 place we can write any number. Okay, next thousands. 100 after 1000 place value only. So thousands place you should write number 6. So 6. In 1000 place you have to write number 6. Okay, that's all. Here given 3 places only, 3 place value only he mentioned, ones, tens and thousands. Okay, before we can add any number. Okay, before we can add any number. Now I am going to add the commas. First 3 digit before insert comma, next 2 digit before insert comma. So what is the number? 7,96,893. Okay, what is the condition? In 1000 place should be 6, tens place should be 9, ones place should be 3. Okay, so again check this place. Ones place have 3. This is tens, this is 100, this is 1000, this is 10,000, next lakh. Okay, so ones place number is 3. Next, tens place number is 9. So 1000 place number is 6. So on the condition idhila vandricha. Okay, so like that we can write any number. இந்த நம்பரில் எந்த நம்பர் வேணாலும் ரைட் பண்ணலாம். ஆனால் நீங்கள் ரைட் பண்ணுற நம்பரில் ஒன்ஸ் பிளேஸில் 3 இருக்கணும், டென்ஸ் பிளேஸில் 9 இருக்கணும், 1000 பிளேஸில் 6 இருக்கணும். அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு நம்பரை ரைட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். கேன் யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? ஓகே. Okay, next second Roman E sum. Listen, here given to abacus. Okay, here given question. We already know that what purpose we using abacus. Abacus is using for calculation. Okay, here each column is represent place value. In abacus the numbers are represented by beats. In abacus the numbers are represented by beats. Okay, okay, see, listen, first question. Write the number names for figure 1. Okay, that means this first abacus we have to consider. In ones place how many beats are here? 1, 2 beats. In ones place how many beats? 2 beats. Okay, next tens place how many beats? 2 beats. Next 100 place how many beats? 1, 2, 3, 4 beats. 1000 column there is no beats, so put 0. Next 10,000 place how many beats are here? 1, 2, 3 beats, so we can write here 3. Next lakh column how many beats here? Only 1 beat. Next 10 lakh column 2 beats. Crore column only 1 beat. Okay, so for this number we have to write the number name. Okay, we have to write the number name for this number. What is the given number? 1,21,30,422. This number we have to change to number name. Okay, I am going to write this number there. Listen, 1,21,30,422. Okay, insert the comma, first 3 digit, next 2 digit before insert comma. Now we are going to write the place value. 1 crore, 1, O-N-E, 1 crore, C-R-O-R-E, crore, 1 crore, 21 lakh, 20, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20, 21, O-N-E, 1, 21 lakh, 21 lakh. Next 30,000, 30, T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30,000, THOUSAND, thousand, 30,422. 4, FOUR, 400, HUNDRED, 422. TWENTY, 22. TWO, 2. So given number we write in number name. 1,30,30,422. First you have to count the beads for in figure 1. In first abacus you have to count the beads from ones place. Okay, count the beads and write in number. Next write the number name for this getting number. Okay, that's all. Next second problem, listen. How many lakhs and hundreds are there in the abacus? That is figure 2. In figure 2, how many lakhs and hundreds are here? That is a given question. கொடுத்துருக்கிற அபாக்கஸில் எவ்வளோ லேக்ஸ் ஹண்ட்ரட்ஸ் இருக்குது அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஃபஸ்ட்டு we are going to count the beads from ones place. In ones place how many beads? 2 beads. Tens place 2 beads. 100 place 3 beads. 1000 place 3 beads. 10,000 place 3 beads. Lakh place 1. 10 lakh 2. Crore, how many crore? 4 crore. So we getting the number is 4 crore 21 lakh 33,322. Okay, now again I am going to write this number here clearly. Listen. 4 crore 21 lakh 33,322. Okay, insert the comma. Now we have to find how many lakhs and hundreds. So as usual, first we are going to write the place value. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So how many lakhs are here? This is lakhs place value. So how many lakhs are here? 1 lakh. How many hundreds are here? 3. Okay. So what is the answer? There are 1 lakh and 300s. 1 lakh and 300s. 1 lakh and 300s. Okay, 1 lakh and 300s. That's all. Can you understand? Okay, again I explain you. Here given 2 abacus. First question is write the number name for figure 1. First you have to count the beads. In figure 1, in first abacus, first you have to count the beads from ones place. Count the beads and write in number. Next write the number name for getting this number. Okay, என்ன நம்பர் உங்களுக்கு கிடைச்சதோ அதுக்கான நம்பர் நேம் ரைட் பண்ணிருங்க. செகண்ட் கொஸ்டின் இஸ் how many lakhs and hundreds are there in the abacus for figure 2. In figure 2, that is in second abacus, how many lakhs and hundreds are there? That is a question. Okay, so first you write the number for given beads. Okay, next find out how many lakhs and hundreds. There are 1 lakh and 300s. That's all. Okay, this is a class of problem. Write in class of note. Okay students, next I am going to explain homework sums. Okay, in second Roman, A sum and D sums are homework. First I explain A sum. Listen. Represent given values in abacus. Okay, represent given values in abacus. Okay, listen. Here given one abacus. Given values are 3 10 crores, 7 crores, 3 10 lakhs, 7 lakhs, 4 tens and 7 ones. These values we have to represent in abacus. You have to draw the abacus clearly in your note. Okay, after write the place values from 1 to 10 crore. 1 to 10 crore write the place value. Next use the scale and draw this line. Okay, first here given value is 3 10 crores. That means 10 crore. In 10 crore, you have to draw how many beads? 3 beads. How many beads? You have to draw 3 beads. Next, 7 crores. That means in crores column, you have to draw 7 beads. Next, 10 lakhs. That means 10 lakhs means here. In 10 lakhs column, you have to draw 6 beads. Okay. Next, 7 lakhs. In lakhs column, you have to draw 7 beads. Next, 4 tens. Tens column, you have to draw 4 beads. Next, ones. In ones column, you have to draw 7 beads. Okay. Given value, you have to represent in abacus by beads. Beads use பண்ணி beads உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் இப்படி ரவுண்டா நாம போடுவோம். This is called beads. Beads use பண்ணி இந்த வேல்யூஸை வந்து அபாக்கஸில் ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. வெரி சிம்பிள். ஸோ யூ ஷுட் ட்ரா த அபாக்கஸ் அண்ட் ரைட் த பிளேஸ் வேல்யூ. கிவன் வேல்யூ ரெப்ரசன்ட் இன் அபாக்கஸ் பை பீட்ஸ். ஓகே. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு write in numeral. Some listen. Write in numeral. Numeral means number. A given number name. This number name you have to write in number. Okay, listen first one. 1 crore 40,000 and 4. 1 crore 40,000 and 4. This one you have to write in number. Okay. First of all, you have to check the place value for this number. Okay. Here given 4. So in ones place, first sum only I work out. Listen. Ones place we can write number 4. Ones after what is the place value? Tens. But tens is not here. Not given. So tens place we can insert ones place 4. Tens place we can insert 0. 100. 100 is given or not? Not given. So 100 place we can put 0. Next 100 after what is the place value? 1000. How many thousands are here? 40,000. So we can insert 40. Next 1000 after what is the place value? Lakh. Lakh also not given. 10 lakh also not have here. So lakhs and 10 lakhs column. In lakhs and 10 lakhs we can put the 0. Okay. Next 10 lakh after what is the place value? 1. Sorry, 10 lakh after what is the place value? Crore. Okay, 10 lakh after given place value? Crore. So how many crores are here? 1 crore. So here give write 1. Now we can insert comma, 3 digit, 2 digit. Before insert comma. Now we can read the number 1 crore 40,004. ஓகே. அந்த நம்பர் நேமும் நியூமரல் நம்ம ரைட் பண்ண நம்பரும் சேமாக வருதான்னு செக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. He given 1 crore 40,004. We write the number as 1 crore. Okay, read this number 1 crore 40,004. This group of ones, this is group of 1000. This is group of lakh. This is group of crore. So how to read this number? 1 crore 40,004. Can you understand? Okay, the same method. Second problem, listen. 64 lakhs and 3. 64 lakhs and 3. For this sum also, first we have to check the place value from ones. ஒன்ஸில் இருந்து எல்லா நம்பர்ஸுமே கொடுத்துருக்காங்களா, எல்லா பிளேஸ் வேல்யூமே கொடுத்துருக்காங்களா ஃபஸ்ட்டு செக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இஃப் எனி பிளேஸ் வேல்யூ இஸ் மிஸ்ஸிங் மீன்ஸ் instead of that place value you should insert 0. எந்த பிளேஸ் வேல்யூவாவது மிஸ் ஆச்சு அப்படின்னா அந்த பிளேஸ் வேல்யூக்கு பதிலாக நீங்கள் 0 இன்சர்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ப்ரீவியஸ் சம் நம்ம பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா, அதே மாதிரி. Okay, can you understand? This 2 problems homework in exercise 2.4. Okay, class of sum and homework sums given in day planner clearly in your material. Okay, so class of sums you have to work out in class of note. Homework sums you have to work out in homework note. Separate adukku note potukonga. Class of sums and homework sums 2 also you have to take the photo clearly and send to your group in charge ma'am. Okay, take the photo clearly and send to group ma'am. Can you understand? Okay, next in book also you have to write that fill in the blanks. எந்தெந்த இடம்லாம் blank-ஆ இருக்கோ அது எல்லாமே ரைட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. In book also you have to write the sums. ஓகே நெக்ஸ்ட்டு கிளாஸ் ஒர்க் சம்ஸ் நான் இப்போ டீச் பண்ண சம்ஸ் எல்லாமே கிளாஸ் ஒர்க் நோட்டில் ரைட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ஹோம்ஒர்க் சம்ஸ் என்னென்ன அப்படின்ட்டு உங்களுக்கு டே பிளானரில் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க கிளியராக. ஸோ homework sum also you have to write in homework note clearly. So class work sums and homework sums both also take the photo and send to your group ma'am. Okay students, thank you so much.